Hey, hi, and welcome to my channel at Jilly Cube Art. These full tutorials are up on my YouTube channel for all the ingredients that I used, pouring mediums, links to buy all of the materials that you need for this fascinating and definite art therapy endeavour. Sometimes frustrating, but mostly just pure joy. So this is definitely one in my Tutti Frutti series of really bright, vibrant colours. I go through a series of different techniques daily using these really bright Tutti Frutti colours. So what better than something bright and uplifting? This one is a chaos blow or a Dutch pour with more. So you'll see as I go along how this progresses. Yes, I do use a hairdryer to blow the paint around, and it does an awesome job. So take a look. If there's any questions, go for it. This was certainly testing out a method on that negative space there. It was just simply black mixed with Australian Floetrol, hence I call it my Aussie slide. What a perfect name for it. And this is the wonderful effect it creates. So I just thought that'd be a different point of interest on my canvas. So I'm going to give it a test through the colours and look at those gorgeous gem-like cells that it creates. I was so excited that this particular technique with the Aussie Floetrol works so well over my Keep It Simple pouring medium, which I mix my global colours with. Global colours and the Keep It Simple pouring medium is made in Australia, but it is available US, Canada, and will be available in UK, Europe very soon. So look at the awesome results you can get from the different techniques that I'm using in this particular Tutti Frutti series. So I hope you enjoy this. Keep watching for the hairdryer blowout. Yes, hairdryer blowout. So this is definitely art therapy. You should try it if you haven't, or if you're an avid acrylic pourer, have a go at this. So much fun, so much vibrancy and movement on the canvas. Wow, this was really so gorgeous. Yes, confession, I added my signature balloon kisses, which I believe gave it a really soft, romantic, floaty look. Super happy with this. Definitely be doing this again. And look how wonderful it looks if you take a high definition photo and get it blown up to any size you like.